Okay, this little video will show you how to set up categories in your gradebook so that different types of assignments will be worth different percentages. So hopefully you've already seen the video from before about setting up the gradebook. This one gives a little more explanation how to do it. So a teacher sent a tool like this saying she wants this grade composition: writing 30%, spelling 20%, reading 25%. Now the way Moodle thinks of this as these are your categories in your gradebook. So we'll go over to the class, click on grades, and then go to set up your gradebook. Gradebook setup right here. And then you'll want to add a category. Now, in the video I made before, I chose just standard categories like summative or informative, but you can use any category title that you want. So this one, writing, was one category. Is that correct? How do they have it written? Yeah, writing is 30%. So writing, and right now if you click on category total, it won't let you change that. You have to first add the category. So you added one category, and if you scroll down here, you'll see writing is now at the bottom with 0% listed by it. Okay, that's fine for right now. And this gradebook's a little cluttered with sample assignments from the template, but the teacher can change that later on. Say the next category is spelling vocab, 20%. So add a category. Spelling vocab. Well, it thinks the next category is reading, then speaking, listening. Add a category. Reading. Add a category. Speaking, listening. And the last category was participation. Okay, now you have your categories created. Now this summative category is 50%. I'm going to, I don't want that to be 50%. So I'm going to make sure edit mode is turned on the right side. And I'll go ahead and take that down to 0%. And, the course total should be 100%. The summative, we'll take that down to 0. And that means all these others will change too. And Moodle will automatically figure out the math to make everything work out. So take away make those just 0% for those categories because you don't want those anymore. But if you delete the category, it will also delete all the assignments inside. And I don't want to do that yet. So for the writing total, click on the box next to it, and you can adjust it. In this person wanted writing as 30%. So make writing 30%. The spelling total, spelling vocab is, why am I not seeing them? Oh, the spelling vocab is here. Oh, I marked the wrong one. So writing is 30%. Spelling vocab is what percent? 20%. Reading is 25%. Speaking and listening, 15. And participation was 10. Oops, 20. And then save your changes. Now, it's adjusted the weights for a total of 100. It still says this is 40. I'm not sure why. I think that's why. So if that happens, uncheck. If these are checked, it means Moodle will try and keep whatever number is there. So I'm going to just uncheck all of these, then Moodle is free to do with the math the way I want it to. So that's a common mistake that I made before. So that's why I know it's common. I've repeated it. Just go through. If the box is checked, then it means Moodle will accept your number. If the box is not checked, Moodle will do the math for you. So since I want all of these right now at 0, I'll go down like that. I have to go back and put in my numbers in for writing. Writing was, I should have this memorized, 35 or 30. 30. Spelling the vocab. It's 20, readings 25. Readings 25. And speaking and listening is 15. And participation is 10. Let's try it this time. So if you make a mistake, go back through, you'll figure it out. Oh, it says they were adjusted, so maybe something's still off. Looks like that's right. Looks like these are correct overall. Does it have it? Yes, writing is 30, 20, 25, 15, 10. So that part's done. Now you'll notice in each of these categories there are no assignments here. Well, that's because you haven't assigned assignments to this category. So if you decide you want, for example, attendance would be, maybe you're going to count attendance as part of your participation. What you have to do is click here to move it and go down to participation, down here at the bottom, and say you just want to put it right here. And it'll move attendance down here. And right now, attendance is 100% of your participation rate. You can click here and change that amount if you want, or you can leave it that way. If you just, when you go back over to your other parts of your class, let's choose a formative assessment over here. When you'll want to create the assignment, then you click on settings, and maybe this assignment is going to be spelling vocab 1. So as you go down, you'll want that assignment to be, let's see, down here in the grade category. You'll say you want that not to be informative because that's 0 anymore. You want that in the spelling category. And we'll go over here and check it. Click on grades. Click on the gradebook setup. And go down to spelling. And yep, now, let's see. Where's spelling? Yes, and now here's the assignment. And you can click there and see the assignment, and everything's lined up where it's supposed to be. So that's a little introduction to how to set up your gradebook and put in categories that fit your course. So start with writing out your categories on paper or type it up in the tool you like. That's the design part. Design it first. Once you have these numbers, then go to grades and gradebook setup and create your categories, name them what you want, then click beside it and put in whatever % you want for that category. That's how you do it.